Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook cabbage in an instant pot. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need 1 medium head of cabbage, about 1 cup of water or broth, 2 tablespoons of butter or oil, and your favorite seasonings like salt and pepper. Begin by washing your cabbage thoroughly, then chop it into manageable 1-inch to 2-inch pieces. Next, place the trivet inside your instant pot and pour in the liquid. Now, let's get cooking. Carefully add your chopped cabbage on top of the trivet in the instant pot. Distribute the 2 tablespoons of butter or oil evenly over the cabbage, and then sprinkle generously with your chosen seasonings. Make sure the lid is securely in place, and remember to set the steam release valve to the sealing position. This ensures the pressure builds correctly for perfectly cooked cabbage. For tender crisp cabbage, set your instant pot to high pressure for just 2 to 3 minutes. Once the cooking cycle finishes, it's time for a quick release. Carefully turn the steam release valve to the venting position to release the pressure. Be cautious of the hot steam. Once the float valve drops, open the lid, remove the perfectly cooked cabbage, and serve it warm as a delicious side dish. Want to elevate your instant pot cabbage? Try adding some cooked bacon, sautéed onions, or minced garlic for extra depth of flavor. Swapping water for chicken or vegetable broth will also give your dish a richer, more savory profile. Remember, you can always adjust the cooking time by about 1 minute, either up or down, to achieve your preferred texture, whether you like it softer or firmer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.